Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to change Outlook email password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up the Outlook email. You can simply open up Outlook through any web browser that you're comfortable on your desktop. Once you open up the Outlook, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you're on your inbox page, go to your profile icon from the upper right corner. Click on there. A dialog box will pop up from there under My Microsoft account. Click on My Profile. Once you land on your profile page on this interface at the very top, next to your info menu, you will get Change Password. Click on there. Before you change your password, you have to enter your Microsoft account password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're verified, now on this page, you will be able to change your password. For that, first of all, enter your current password. Under that, enter your new password with 8 character minimum and must be case sensitive. And under that, re-enter your password. Now, if you want to change your password every 72 days, click on this box that says make me change my password every 72 days. Now, once you're done typing in your new password, click on save. And after that, your password will be changed. And that's how you can simply change your password. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.